Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. Today we're taking a look at this 2015 Ram 1500 Black Express Crew Cab with 71,857 miles that is powered by a 5.7-liter V8, putting out 398 horsepower at 5,600 RPM and 410 foot-pounds of torque at 3,950 RPM. It runs and drives well and is priced thousands below native retail. It features an automatic transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, alloy wheels, seating for 6, and comes equipped with cruise control, navigation, Bluetooth, a multifunction radio, and heated front seats. This opportunity vehicle is being sold as is. We encourage you to see and hear the bike in person. If you are unable to, we will be happy to do a live inspection via Skype or FaceTime. Please give us a call for more information.